Zoom refusing to open on your computer. That can be frustrating, especially when you have an important meeting coming up. The good news is that there are several simple fixes you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Zoom not opening in 2026. So let's get started. First, restart your computer. A fresh restart can clear temporary system issues that may be preventing Zoom from launching properly. This simple step often fixes problems without requiring any additional changes. After restarting, if Zoom still won't open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Zoom processes that may still be running in the background and end them. Yeah, sometimes a frozen background process can prevent the application from opening. Next, right-click the Zoom shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the application the permissions it may need to launch correctly. If Windows displays a permission prompt, click Yes to continue. If Zoom still doesn't open, reinstalling the application can replace damaged or missing program files. Download the latest version from the official Zoom website before installing it again. Using the newest version also helps ensure compatibility with the latest Windows updates. Some antivirus programs or firewall settings may accidentally block Zoom from launching. Temporarily check whether your security software is preventing Zoom from running. If you make any changes, remember to keep your computer protected and only download Zoom from its official website. Finally, open Zoom once more and see if it launches normally. If the issue continues, checking Zoom's support resources or recent service announcements may help identify less common problems. So with these steps completed, Zoom should hopefully be running again, and that's how to fix Zoom not opening. In many cases, restarting your computer, ending background processes, or reinstalling the latest version is enough to solve the problem. If the issue still persists, it may be related to your system configuration or a specific software conflict. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.